So you need to remove these three 12mm nuts from either sides so you can remove this bumper support out. So we already started facing the first issue with this build. Ideally, when you remove the 6 12mm nuts, the reinforcement bar should just slide out. But in our case, it isn't sliding out because of the front impact that it had. And there's a slight bend in the frame, and that's why the reinforcement bar is stuck along with the studs inside. But the good thing is that I actually got the spare parts for these. I got the reinforcement bar, this upper support bar, a condenser, and the radiator. So this is actually from another accident vehicle, but it was in a side accident. And so I got the reinforcement bar from that car. I got the upper support bracket, and this is the new radiator. I got a radiator, and I also got the condenser from that car. So spare wise we are sorted. So after infinite failed attempts, I finally decided the only option to get this bar out is to grind it. So I went outside and purchased a brand new grinder to cut this bar out. So an issue I faced while grinding this bar was that this bar has two layers, one in the front and one in the back. Now since my grinder's blade wasn't large enough, I couldn't reach to the back side of the bar. So what I had to do is I had to make two cuts in the middle, which would be wide enough for the angle grinder to get in between so that it could reach the back side of the bar. So that's what I'm attempting right now. That's it guys, got it out finally. I cannot actually insert that reinforcement bar into this because this is tilted half inch this way. So again, after multiple failed attempts at smashing this frame sideways, it wasn't budging. I just couldn't fit the new reinforcement bar into the studs. It was exactly the same as it was earlier before smashing it. So this clearly wasn't working. I had to come up with something creative soon. It's missing it by a few millimeters. I think it's just 2 millimeters. So what I plan to do is drill 3 holes just within few millimeters so I can get them inside. So let's do that. So I finally got the reinforcement bar inside. It's not perfect, but it will do the job. As you can see here, see the threads are damaged, but I have the thread repairing tool, so I'll repair it right now. It's damage on both ends, so let's repair it. So the tool to repair the damaged thread is this tool. The number is M8 1.25. So this is the one that can repair the threads on the frame. So this is how it looks after getting it repaired. You don't have to go all the way till the end, just the first few inches are enough, because the nut won't go all the way behind. I repaired the studs. Now all I have to do is install the reinforcement bar, which I'm going to do right now. That's it. Guys, I installed the reinforcement bar. It fit in perfectly. Once you start tightening the 12mm bolt, it fit in snug. It looks amazing now. It doesn't even feel like this car was involved in an accident. Oh, it's perfect. So we got the reinforcement bar in. Now we need to get the radiator and the condenser inside. Well, we will continue that in the next vlog. If you guys enjoyed this DIY vlog and would like to see more content on my Celica's build, please do consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done already. And until next time, this is Stan signing out. Bye bye.